quick video of my 1988 Mazda 323 GTX car that went through a significant restoration over the course of about 2.5 years. Bought the car in 15 out of Northern California. So the car is completely rust-free when I got it. It was in pieces when I got it, and then underwent pretty much a significant transformation, nut and bolt. Car was taken down to bare metal and repainted metallic silver. At the time, I took the opportunity to add some neat features to the car. Namely, at the back I have the European Japanese bumper. The car is sitting on coilovers right now, ground control coilovers. And the front, the GTAe front bumper, which really does complement the front of the car. And this car has the pre-facelift front end with the double headlights. So kind of a rare front end on the car. It has of course the fenders and the hood to match. So really not many BF Chassis Mazdas, GTXs anyway, in the US with this front end on it. The car has the upgraded brakes on it as well, and is sitting on 15 by 6.5 inch wheels with a plus 42mm offset. The car also has the European Japanese side skirts and also the glass sunroof conversion from the Escort GT. And I'm also running the GTAe top spoiler. So yeah, again, everything on the car has been taken apart, removed, painted. Even most of the fasteners were replaced with stainless where appropriate. Inside the car is quite clean as well, and it retains the original seats, which are not bad shape, front and rear. And yeah, it's pretty clean inside the car. Under the hood, is the B6T. It's got an upgraded turbo. I'm running a stock intercooler right now, but I'm gonna actually run a GT28 RS turbo, and then just play with the boost just a little bit. And I'm also running the Koyo aluminum radiator. I'm also going to go ahead and upgrade the intercooler while I'm at it. But under the hood, it's pretty clean, and I've spent a lot of time powder coating, polishing, and cleaning up under the hood. So everything looks very presentable under here. So anyway, some more updates on this car coming up, and please stay tuned.